Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to use NotebookLM to create videos. So creating videos usually involves hours of research, outlining, script writing, fact checking, and organizing ideas. But with the NotebookLM, you can dramatically speed up that process. So first, the Notebook LM is Google's AI-powered research assistant that works with your own sources. So instead of generating information from the entire web, it bases its responses on the documents, PDFs, websites, Google Documents, and notes that you upload. So in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can use the Notebook LM to plan, research, and write high-quality videos for YouTube, online courses, or business presentation. Okay, so start by opening Notebook LM and clicking the new notebook. So make sure that you already visited the website, and then you just have to log into your using your Google account or email. Okay, so just tap on the create your notebook. So we are going to name this notebook first. So for example, YouTube channels, product reviews, marketing videos. So it depends on what kind of videos that you're planning to create. For example, I'm just going to name this one as YouTube channels. All right. And each notebook serves as a dedicated workspace where all of your research and ideas stay organized. Okay, now we are going to upload our research materials. So the Notebook LM works best when you give it equality sources. So here, tap on the add sources, and we can upload here PDFs, Google Documents, research papers, company documentation, product manuals, blog articles, meeting notes, presentation slides, website URLs, and etc. Okay, we can also search from webs. Okay, so we can also, get our sources from the web. Okay, for example, about plants. All right. So you just have to wait until we get the resources from the web. For example, if you're making a video about an AI tool or plant, we can upload its official documentation, articles, features, guides, release notes, and product pages. So the Notebook LM will analyze all of these, so you won't have to keep opening multiple tabs. So I'm just going to import these sources. Okay, now we have to understand our topic faster. Instead of reading every document manually, we can ask the Notebook LM to summarize this product, explain the main features, something like that. So I'm just going to type it right here, explain the main features. All right. And then you just have to tap on the enter option or send your instruction to Notebook LM. Then you just have to wait for the result. So the Notebook LM answers using your uploaded sources and can point you back to where the information came from, making it easier to verify your content before recording. And yeah, we have here now the answer. The next one is we are going to build a video outline. So once we understand the topic, we can ask the Notebook LM to organize our ideas. For example, create an 8-minute YouTube outline, build a beginner-friendly tutorial structure, suggest chapter titles, organize information logically, create a step-by-step walkthrough, something like that. So for example, I'm just going to type right here, create an 8-minute, all right, 8-minute YouTube outline. And we also have a typical tutorial outline might include introduction, what the tool is, key features, and more. So yeah, this gives you a solid structure before you begin writing. Now, we are going to create the draft for our video script. So we can ask the Notebook LM to help us for our script. So we can write here prompts like write a YouTube tutorial script, explain this feature in simple language, rewrite this section for beginners, add transitions between topics, create engaging introductions, something like that. So I'm just going to type it right here. Okay, write a YouTube tutorial script. So we can also ask it to simplify technical language so it's easier for our audience to understand our video. And remember to always review the script and adjust it to match to your own speaking style. Okay, so let us just wait for the result. All right, so after that, the Notebook LM can also help us to generate materials that go along with our video. So we can ask it to write YouTube video description, chapter timestamps, frequently asked questions, key takeaways, discussion questions, or something like that. So I'm just going to type it right here. Maybe suggested titles. All right. Okay, so these extras can save time when publishing your content. So yeah, let's just wait. Now, after you have the result for your title, okay, so if you have lengthy reports or documents, the Notebook LM can really help identify the most important points. So we can ask it to summarize this document in 5 key points, extract the most interesting facts, create a 1-minute explanation, generate ideas for YouTube shorts or TikTok videos. So yeah, this makes it easier to, repurpose one source into multiple pieces of content. So I'm just going to tab it right here, right? Summarize this document in 5 key points. All right. So let's just wait for the answers. Okay, and of course, the Notebook LM, it has a very unique feature, which is the audio overview. So you have that right here, which can generate a podcast style discussion based on your uploaded sources. And you can listen to these summaries while commuting, exercising. So let me just click on this one, right? And you'd be able to see that it is now starting to generate. So yeah, this is especially useful for reinforcing key ideas and spotting important details you may have missed. Okay, so yeah, the Notebook LM does not edit videos or generate visuals, but it can significantly speed up the planning process by uploading reliable sources, asking focused questions, creating structured outlines, drafting scripts, generating supporting materials, and using audio overviews to review your research. You can spend less time organizing information and more time creating engaging videos. So whether you're making YouTube tutorials, educational lessons, product reviews, or business presentation, okay, so Notebook LM can become a very valuable research and scripting assistant that helps you produce well-informed, organized, and professional content more efficiently. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helps solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.